Hello friends, my name is TUSHAR Rajendra JangalE. My today's video topic is string buffer versus string builder. So in string, uh, as earlier we discussed the topic of string. In string, string is immutable. We cannot change any data or any character or sequence in a string. So the to avoid this week to avoid this drawback, there is a option for string buffer and string builder. String buffer and string builder are mutable. uh, and String buffer and string builder are mutable. Now we can discuss about the string buffer. So the string buffer is the thread shape, or or we can say it is a it cannot it cannot uh, it cannot call it cannot call the methods of string buffer simultaneously, or we can say we can't achieve multi-threading in string buffer. So this is the drawback of string buffer. Now string builder is non-synchronized and not thread safe. We It means two or more thread can call the method of string builder simultaneously. But as we see, string buffer is less efficient than string builder. So there is a use of string builder is higher than string buffer, because of string builder is more efficient than string buffer. So in string builder, the speed of the process is faster, because we can use multiple threads or execute multiple threads simultaneously in a string builder. uh, there is a as we seen, there is much more we can say rumors about string buffer or string builder is same or not, like that. So string buffer and string builder are not safe. Or sorry, string buffer and string builder are not same. We can easily say about that. The string the string buffer is thread safe, and string builder is not thread safe, uh, because of it can call the methods of string builder simultaneously, or we can say in another words, like string builder can operate multiple threads, or two or more, it can execute two or more threads simultaneously. And because of that, string builder is more efficient, because when we call the threads are not threads having not required the same memory. It can allocate the memory as in the same process. And that's why in that process, thread speed is higher than process speed. If we take on anything process, so the, there is concept like memory allocation, some changes in our class to the main class, or like that. So that's why there is much more time required, time and space consuming. But the thread allocate the same memory as in the process. That's why thread is faster. And because of thread is faster, string builder is more efficient, or more string builder is more efficient or more faster than string buffer. So most preference is going on string builder because of their fastness. String buffer is synchronized. String buffer is synchronized, thread safe, and it it means two threads can't call the methods of string buffer simultaneously. And suppose we now take a practical example of a string buffer. suppose we can take a string buffer of a name like Hepshine to create new string to create object of string buffer. We record string buffer. uh, the object name buffer is equal to new string buffer, and in that in string we can take a Hepshine. So we can use inbuilt method of Java class for that buffer dot append dot in this method. Now we take another string softwares. So as our new object string is fshine, and in our method or in our string buffer method we can take softwares. So now we use the buffer dot append method of that class, and print print the buffer. So the output will be Hepshine software. Uh, First we have to first string taken is buffer, that is Hepshine in that buffer, string buffer, and another method of that string buffer is append dot buffer dot append. In that we can take a software. So there is a we can say concatenation or like that concept is used in that case. So so in that hot, the output will be Hepshine software, and there is no gap or no space between the Hepshine and software words. So that it's like what a concatenation method of a string. Now again we can take example of string builder, same example. We can create a object of string builder new string Hepshine, and builder dot append in that we take a string software. So there is only one change in our previous string builder. The method is builder build sorry string buffer. The method is buffer.append, and in that take with Fshine. And now we can take in string builder we can take builder.append software. So the output will be same Fshine software, and in that output there is no space or anything. There is no space or anything. uh, and this is also like a concatenation of that string. So so uh, what is the new in that? The output will be the same, only method name is change. But what is the main difference in string buffer or string builder? Now you have a question that output will be the same, only method name is change. There is no space in Hepshine software string. In Hepshine software string there is no change. So what is the difference? So the difference is between the time required to process that output shown on console, or to process that uh, it the to show that the time is in milliseconds. But as we take a second in that, time is very important. So that's why string builder is used, and output will be the same. But we can take an example of another example of the tip at string buffer and string builder to check the time of process output. So now in that method we can take a time system dot current time in minutes. This is system dot current time in minutes. This can give us the time of in millisecond to the process. So if we taken that time, in that time in that time in that process we observe that the time required for string builder is less than string buffer because of threads. So the string builder is more faster and more efficient than string builder is more faster and more efficient than string buffer. So this is the difference of string buffer and string builder. uh, if we use the method of system dot current time millis, we can uh, we can we can give or we can give up at that time how many time is required for the process, or how much time required for that. So the system dot current time millis method give us the time of processing, or with this method we can calculate the time difference between string buffer and string builder. So today's topic is over. Thank you, sir.